Malalau Maria ho eki mo lele e tonga kotampe, fifialahi ke tatali le ki mo tolu ki hongonga e le tio, mo i televisione tonga ki he fiafini. I e wakai ki ngā hiongonga lalahi o e aho, le ko te kau polisi ai ngai whaka ilo whakatoa e wange au mātolu i tongani he wike ua ko osi, lolodonga ngā we taha unga fifita ai potu ngā we. Tau te ngai popula hamtapu le tau wanoa ki ono whalawea e ake mea māsila hono kau ngā whanonga, makatunga meiha ta e whimahino aki. Pea wheme ake e ikpale e mia, mai tukon minister ki mulia Amerika ane afi ki hono te langa hake wafa diplomatika o ongo pule anga. E te aipi mga hiongongo kehe ana yangi, pe heki wakai ki whamitaha e uniongongo me mala e sipoti, te mai whakamatala ea, ka koe wakai lewa eni ke whakai ki, ko au wahi whanua tō Paula. Na e au ke ngāhi whaka ilo whakatoa e wangi au mātolu ne leko te he pot ngai polisi, lodonga nau ngā we taha unga fifita i he wā i taimi o i ngahi aho malolo e Krismasi me whaka ostau. O talo eni me au tahiwa o tisema wanoa wanima ki he taimi walo pongpongi o e aho monite o e wikini. O whaelo ki nau tolu ki ngahia ke he kehepe, o kau kiai e ma o e kawa malohi tapu, ka koe wakai ki whakaiki ke talanoa koe ia mo peti play ki ilo lahia.
I hono whaike eke o ngongo ai le tio tonga ai komisiona polisi David Tavailea na ane pehe, koe ngāhi whaka ilo koe ni o kau ki ai me kakai whiwhine, ka ok te eki malawa ke whakama opo nau tokolahi o mawahe me kakai tangata. Ne whakatoka ngā i he ngāwe tahani ai kaka ki o lunga ai hia tā me whakamamahi i api.
Ko toko te au tolu noa ai, i he wahenga Nuku'alofa ai, ko toko wanoa i he wahenga whahake o Tongatapu, pea toko tawalu lewa i wahenga whakai fo, toko wha i wahenga pai, pea puki toko tahanima i wahenga boba, pea toko tāno lewa i wahenga e ua. Aka toko la hia ngahi pukene, ko haparo tonga ai wahi taimi koe. Mahina pito pe ai ngahi hia ku hamai ni kaka ki o runga, ku kau ai tāra mo whamamahi api, pea ku mahino pe ai kaunga tonu ki ai o kahoro, pea pe he ki pai tōkona tapu. Ue tokanga e putunga aue ki he whakue ni pe e whamahi ai aue koe ai taun, ko hui koe misiona e putunga aue ke malua nofo i api, o taimu hoko e ngai hia koe ni kune hoko ia ke whamana mana ki nofo malu, merino, ka moe maumauruta e nofo ai whamiri. Koe tōlai tahe ni koe o koe malu ia o e la koe ke tau ni e mau he ngā titu popleanga, ange koe kona he ngā titu popleanga, ka moe whamuwewe, ka moe fu, me mi nofo e laitaha o e ngani hia koe nei puke lotonga e kai kalapataonga. Tau kuanga maheni peni, koe hui koe maa olungange hono mahu, pea mo whaonga i toia au kahoro, pea o ku pāiku a peke ngā whaparema ke te. O iku ke launga mea hani, ke kotunga aue, ke koe whahaupa e kotunga aue, ngau putua au maheni o ngau whelongo aki ai koe mga i whaparema peni e ngā koro, pea pauputai hono puke po pai ngau ko. Mahina peo ku kaupekeni ka moe nihe o ngā i puke mo pailo i ngā hia ke pe kawai ai tunatolu na kulave ki ai pelave ko moe no ma'u ke whakiatu mo whaonga i goe se tōkona tapu kaupekeni ko moe whauri ko kawaia o e ni e puke e maumau e lao ke ngā hia angi koe e pare kai haa mga hia. Ako ni tu malu mataha koe e tika koe ni wang e kukuri, koe ni mei koe lao te tauhi mau na ki tukopea.
Pehe e Vailea, ne ongo e toko wange au mātolu koe ni ne puke mo whaka ilo, ka ok i he tuunga whakawhie maali e pe ai mau lao mo e whaihia i he ngāu e taha wanoa wanima wanoa wano, whakahoa ke ngahi tau ki mua i he mahino o kā mai ai holo i he tuunga whaihia.
Ai wakai e putunga aue ki e tuunga whakawhie maali e pe, ai tuunga o whaihia. Ai kuha mai ai holo i he tuunga o hia i lao koe ki ngahi hia, o kaua e kai hai whale o e tā ngahi hia pehe. O ngata pene holo o tonga e wai taimi koni o Christmas ma tau fo ka whawhana ki koia o tau wanoa wani mapa mo wanoa wha me horo ai lau ki mai ia o duka tonga pa pipi ai kau pigei pe mo ngai lau ke angai ko lau ki tau ni mau na tu po preanga ngai ia de de nei tonga pa pi mari na horo pe moia na uke mia ai lau ko si no ngaki ala preanga mai no na hiki ai lahi ngai hia na le kosti mo failo ka posi matunga peni penga po ngau ke samaro hia no en pos ko ia lau doi ngai pore ke Usia ya malo nunga ki apuranga.
Nai whiunga mo kau ofisa polisi e whangea maono ni nau whaiwhatongia lolotonga e ahoi taha fitu ne malolo pe tāpuni ai ngahi whaiwhatongia ai pule anga ka koe wā taimia ai ngahi aho malolo o Christmasi mo e whakaosta u. Ma ai o ngongo ai le tio ma televisa ni Tonga, ko au Betsy Blake i lo lahia.
Ko tau tengai po pula hamatapu le ta uanoa ko Christopher o Peti Tupe ki hono whalawea ea ke mea maasila hano kau ngā whanonga o mātunga ini mei hatai whemahino aki, ka tau whakaihin ke whakaikiki. Ko hono tau te ini whamaolahi Justice Paul Kalik a tupe ki ni ngai po pula hi tau e tolu mahina e whā, ka e toloi e tau e ua whamuimui i ngāhi makatuunga. I ene pehe, tene ngāwe i pehe pilisone hua tolutoli e tau e taha mahina e whā, ka e malui ngā lele ia i he tau kakato e ua o ka matalau mehi ahoe atai mei he pilisone. Au mātunga ini mehi atai whemahino aki September e tau ko osi, i ha mau kawa mahalohi e whaka iloa mo e mamahi, pe ane pehe ne alo e whaka iloa ia he mea lele e mamahi, pe ane pawai ke kumi he whiawhi ko ia ai whaka iloa o tuk mai mehi a whale hula hula. Au pehe whamatala ni tuk mai he wikeni me whamau anga, ne o si loto mamahi pe e mamahi he ne au ke whale hula hula, o i kuai ki ha ana whi oho whaki. Neongo ena makuku e whale hula hula, ne te whawhok mai pehe mamahi e whakailoa ki hono api nofanga. Ka ne te whok mai e whakailoa mi hono api ke api nofanga e mamahi, o ne ohofia ki aha mea maasila aia koe hele pelu. Ne pehe me whamawanga na la via lahi e mamahi o tau te whito ki hono nima, aia ne au ki sentimita e ono me sentimita e wha ai loloto, o ongo la via ne hoko ki hono sino. Ne tali halai ai pea tupe ki e hiani o whahai e whamaulahi, ka anga maheni ke nā tula e hia peheni ke ngai popula hi tau e nima. Ka kai uhi ke ula ki tali halai ai pea tupe hi ono whakailo ia, pehe ke te eke iai hane le koti whaihia. Ne whasisi ai ono tau te ai ke tau pe e tolu mahina e wha. Ka kai tau e ua whaumuimui e tolu i kakato ia hi ngāhi makatuunga, aia tene ngāwe i pea tau e taha mo e mahina e wha. Kua tukmahe pule anga Amerika en au popoa ki talamonu ki ekpale mia o tongani no pele whawhanua. Pehe ki hono pule anga i e kamata ne awhi na whakwhatongia ko e pule anga fo owe whanua. Ko e tukmahe ni he takon minista ki mulia Amerika, Christopher Lando, whawhauia i ha ane whetu utaki hanga tonu mai pa me wasinga toni ki he ekpale mia o tongani ki Nuku'alofani o na whime ak hanga tonu. Pea mono pele whawhanua whawhau i he laine teknolosia. Ka kono whaiki ki eni.
I he whakamatala ko tuk mai me he ofisi whakaambastoa a Amerika i Tongani, ne whakaha e he tokon minista ki muli i he talanoa na ne whakahoko mo e ekpale mia o Tongani, ne whakaha i e Christopher ai tuku pā a Amerika ki hono whakaivia ai wāwhinga e aki ai o ngōpule anga, whakafou i he langa whakalakalaka whakaekonomika o tau te whito ki ngai bisnisi tau taha. Ne te whakaha e Christopher ne kau i he ena whemea aki mo e ki pale mia o Tongani, au no whakaha nge e no pele whakawhanua, ai whie mao ki te wakai e Amerika ai ngahi kawinga kehe o tokanga ki ai a Tongani, o a nge koe tautaita e whakalao mo e whewhalau aki whakawaha apule anga ai ka kaitonga ki Amerika. Pehe mea Christopher koe kawingani ai tautaita e whakalao mo e whewhalau aki, koe taha ia ai ngahi kawinga o tokanga ki ai Amerika, pea ne whakahoko ai ai talatala noa mono pele whakawhanua ki he kawingani. Nei kai te tuk mai hawkai ki ka e muimui e hongongo ai le tiotonga ai kawingani ke tuk tuku atu amuiange. Kai ke he ok mahino pene o skamata pehe aho uluaki o mahinani, ai kai ke toi ataha ko le visa ngofua folau ewe ewa, pe visa ako hatoko taha passport tonga ke folau ki Amerika. tuke he ange aki nau tolu o Tonga iai e nau visa, kai pehe ke kau wholau i he uhinga fua diplomatika. Ok matunga pe eni he tukuaki e Amerika kua fuutoko lahi, ai kau tonga ok nau nofo ovata e whakalau i Amerika. Neongo ko tonga pe he whanua he Pasifiki o kau ki he ta ofi whakataimi koe ni, ka kua tukmai mo whakahami Amerika koe ahaua taha o mahina ni, e ngali e ka mata kau mo Fisi, Vanuatu mo Papua New Guinea, i ngai whanua whakangatangata, ka e ikai ki ta ofi whakataimi, ka kohono oange hatutu uni i he kau kole visa wholau, ke nau totongi hapaanga malu i ki Amerika, pia toki malawa ki nau wholau. Aia koe paanga malu i koe ni o ka mata he paanga e ni maafe Amerika ke taha mano ni maafe. Aia ka liliu ke paanga Fisi, koe taha mano waafe tupu ia ki he wa mano whaafe tupu. Koe konga pe e ni ai whenga a Amerika ki hono toi whakamalo hiange hono malu i honau kau a whanua, me he huange ai ka kaikehe o mamani ono fo ovata e whakalao i honau whanua. Ma ai o ngongo ale te o me televiso ne Tonga, ko au Betty Blake, ilo lahia.
Pea ana au ke ngahi mo fuiki whakatoa e walu nima na leko ti he waasi o loki a Tonga, ke hoko hi potahi o Tonga ni he mahina ko ti sema tau ko o si wanoa wanima. Koe ngahi mo fuiki koe ni, koe taha beia, ne ongo i Tonga ni, ai au whatatau ki whamatala ni tukmai me he waasi o loki, koe maulalo taha e ngahi maalohi i he ngahi mo fuikeni, na e unga me magnitute tolu po ine nima, pa koe maolunga taha, na i he magnitute ia e 5.8 hono maalohi. Ni heo koe ngahi mo fuike koe ni i he loloto o e kilomita e taha fitu ki he ono walu. Koe kotoa e ngahi mo fuike ni ne i kaike nao maalohi fe unga ki ne whakatupu ha mo fuike pe koha mau e hoko pia mi iahi. Ko e uni ngongo whaloto whanua pe ia ki e hawani mi whatawangi ne au lelei atu ki he loto whale o e Tonga kotoa pe. Ka koe mala e unu sipoti hoko mai o ka hili eni whahokatia pia o lie.
Maramo toki whilongo ki koe whakaini ki malae o e sipoti. Ko tō tau e Palestine kau taha fuhu amatua a Tonga, hi ko whungawaka, ka koe ofisa whakangalaka i he malae o e hoki. Ko hire ni hono whapapau i mei he ofisa kau taha spoti a Terita, mo e Olimpiki a Tonga, i he pongpongi a honi i miti e whaso siare. Ai whamatalami he toni Palestine kau taha fuhu a Tonga, e lo ni tāme i lau, ko e taulahi na e oskia vele ngai a whungawaka he sipotini, pea to e tō fohe foki i he timi hoki whawhanua.
Ko wilo kui kai ke sola hato ngai a ke whaipatongi a tō taha koe ni, ka koe sino e pekia a hiko, e ngai ta whake ke kotoa pe, e spoti, hange koe hoki, ta pevo ki he malae ko ne fuhu o talu pe me he ne whangakui, mo ne tamai, na nau kau waki mai e mea koe ni koe ai mai moa o fuhu. Ta koutui mahalo ku lawa ke mau ilo hono kotoa pe, e ko ate, ta mo kau ngahi kalap kotoa pe i Tongani, ai toko taha koe ni, ta mau whenga pe ke mau molo mui wae, ke ngahi ngau le reina ne whakahoko, lolotonga ia, ai ne hoko koe Palestini, ki he Tonga Boxing Association.
Ko e tomu e ngau e whamui a whungawaka he kau taha fuhu a Tonga, ko e tāri ke whakahoko mai ki Tongani e whiahu a Oceania he tauni, o hange koe e whakamatala me he tokon Palestini.
O wai e toonga, ai fuhu, o mawalo wawa ke tomu koe ne fuhu, ta mea na ne kore ke maulawa, o host, ai fuhu koe ni e Oceania i he tauni, i he fuhu, i he mara e fuhu. Nā lawa no mawao ke tomu aki ko ia o e fuhu i Tongani o ave atoa e whanau lo kolo pe ke nau kau he whea o e fuhu ko ia a World Championship ai AIPA, pe koe IPA, ai nā whahoko ki tō pai.
Nā e whahoko mai ai pe he tokoni i Palestine kau taha fuhu a Tonga e pōpoaki i whiekau ngā mamahi me he poate mo e kau taha fuhu a Tonga ki he whamiri i he more e konga koura i he sipoti i he tau whanuani.
Tuk mua ke whaingamare ko ni ke wātai ha pōpua ki whamamahi, whaikau ngā mamahi ki he mea kai ki koe ni hiko whunga waka ka koe Palestine whoki ia o e TBA, pe koe Tonga Boxing Association ni. O wātoi ne mau whenga whaikau ngā mamahi ki he witou te wong si whanau paia wahu ulmotua ma mesi kai nga ofa ko to ape pe me paiseni pe mo poate ko ia Tonga Boxing Association ni o kai ke ai ha re ai mo ua mo ne re Tonga pe mo mapaki fa ka ko ala te maure ape pe mo sa ame ko tau ia si hova te kai te mau masiva bagi popo ki pe wa tu fe ka wa mama te fa ai atu ai Tongatapu ko ia Tonga Boxing Association ni
Ka ke hena I kai ke ngata pe he ngau ia whungawaka I he ongo sipotini, ka na e me mipa I he poate ai Dansanok, me I he wanoa wa taha ki he wanoa ua ni maa. Ko e sipoti pe ia.
Ko pia o lia ia me whamutaha e unengongo meihe mala e o sipoti. Ko e dule wa eni o ea I hono tuk mai pe meihe senta whamatala ea Tonga I wha motu, e o atu ia e ofisa whamatala ea me wapakai matangi a Tonga ko ino ke lelenga.
Malo e lau maare hau eki pa moe lirei e tongo toa tari tari ripik mo tolu ki e tau whakamatala ea. Ngahi tala no lalahe ni tau whakamatala ea hua wa whaa ko ia ka hoko mai. Katoa ngai angi hoko hoko at pia e maa whanang ko e ea. Taim ta tau malawa ki au fia langi ea ngahi taimi. Pe malafu ki hoko pe moa ngahi uhatu mo tō whaka wheituu. Imisi satellite en o e aho ni, mahino pe ai alo maari e, lahi alo maari e, ai otu tō ngā I e aho ni. Tukeng pe ngai wheituu na e uhatu mo tō. Ai utupu pe nia pe mehe maa whanang ko e ea. Fo ua ngai ko ngā ao kini omiha uhatu mo tō. Ngai koe nei hako e vai whanua o yongo niwa. Wawao pe pehi foki ki Tongatapu. Pea mo eua I e aho ni. Taim tatau uai e alo tāmak uha iau ne toka ki he potahi ko ia. O teriki Tonga pea mo teriki toke lau. Alo tāmak uha ko niu ne omi ha uha lahi. Ta pe foki mana mana ki he ongo potu tahi ko e ni. Aho ne ni maka hoko mai, waka en ki aho ni maka hoko mai pe mehe Pasifiki ko alo tāmak uha iau ne toka ki he potahi ko ia o teriki Tonga pea mo teriki toke lau. Whakafuafua ia ki ne ngā unu ki Tongatapu pea mo eua. Ia pongpongi ne omi ha uha. Pe ngā unu whakatoke lau ai pe ki haapai pe mua wa. Pe foki he ongo niwa ki whaasinga koia au I ke whatongai koe hawiri e te kai o angi pa me he tonga hake. Alo ke ne omiha ea o wangi moko moko pa me he tonga hake ke o tonga whaasinga ia o e uike. Whamtala koe pa me poni o au ki he pongpong koia a pongi pongi. Malawa ke au fia e langi e ngai taimi. Ngai whanua koia o wawa au haapai. Pe foki ki Tongatapu pa mo eua. Pe foki ha ngahi uhatu mo tō. Whawhituu I he ngahi wahe whanua koe ni. Lahi alo maari e piki he ongo niwa. Ta whai whanonga koe pa mehe pōni ki a pongi pongi. Hawiri u ke yangi iki pe hawiri. Wau ki he maretahe ongo fulu pa mehe. Toke lau pa mo toke lau hake. Ki he kotoa pe o tonga koe. Fua maa whana moko moko tahana e pōni. E au ki he moko moko tigri sase wanima ki Tongatapu pa mo eua. Wa ono ki wawa u pe wa fitu ki haapai. Pea pe foki ki he ongo niwa. Ka koe whamtala e koe ki a pongi pongi. Tala noa tatau pe. Au fia langi ngai taimi ki wawa uha pai Tongatapu pe mo eua. Malafo ki ai moha uhatu mo tō ki he ngahi wahe whanua koe ni. Kai lahi alo maari e pe ki he ongo niwa. Fua mawhana e nofo ki he tigriso sase tolu taha ki Tongatapu pe mo eua pe foki ki he apai. Kai tolua ki wawa upa pe foki ki he ongo niwa. Maino pe foki koe taimi pe nia o ku maa whananga e ea. Kau ngalahi foki pe mo toke lau koe hawiri ki ne omi hatu ea o maa whanange ki he otu tonga. Kau whakaau foki ki teka hawiri o angi pa me he tonga. O mo tonga hake, angi koe ina wakaike ani nai. Kai tau te whito ki he whakatonga, Tongatapu pe mo eua ki a pongpongi. Malawa ki ne omi ha ea o wangi moko moko ki Tongatapu pe mo eua. Koe taimi koe a o e tahi. Tau maari e tahi he toi minite wanoa koe ki tahawa tua poe poni. Pea maha toka ia toi minite nima koe ki hono pongpongi a pongpongi. La ina pa moe mahina. Hopo la osmite fitu pa me hono pongpongi a pongpongi pea hopo la mahina. Osmite tolu koe ia pa me he tahataha I he poni. Wasa pe whamtalai aho nima koe ia ka hako mai ki Nuku'alofa koe tokonaki umalawa ki uha e tokonaki. Pa me alo tāmaki koe I he whakatonga. Kai alo maari e lelei e sāpate pe foki ki he moni te. Ka koe tūsite pa moe plulu wikau. Tawa manaki a ngahi uhatu mo tō whaka wheituu. Fua maa whanā marunga taha o he nima ka hako mai e au ki he marunga koe tigri sase ua hiva. Ki he tolu taha ki Nuku'alofa. Ka koe tangatanga peke au ni. Malau pito mo mea mai. Ka mo mea.
Ino ke lelenga ia mo e whaumimtaha e whakamatala ia. Mo i ka kata i pia e o ngongo ki hawani mo whatawangi, ne au lelei atu ki he loto whale o e otongani ka e pehe foki ki tua pole anga. Kai ki mua pia tau mawai, tau te wakaiwha ospeni ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo o e aho. Le ka oti he kau polisi e ngai wha il whakatoa e wangeau mātolu i tongani he wike ua ko o si, lo tonga e ngawe taha unga whiwhita e pot ngawe. Tau te ngai popula Tongatapu le tau wanoa ki ono whalawea e ake mea māsila hono kau ngā whanonga, mātunga mi hata e whemahino aki. Pea whemea aka ngā tono e ekpale emia, no pele whawhanua me Minista ki Mulia Amerika, Christopher Lando, ane whiawhia ki ono toi langaha ke wāwha diplomatika o iongo pule anga. Ko iongo ngoa i pia ki he whewhini, no whamalo atu i ho maumea mai, ko au whawhanua tu Paula ka maumea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, police report 203 people in total charged during Ungawhiwhita operation. A 20-year-old man sentenced to 1 year, 4 months in prison for assault with a sharp weapon, and US Deputy Secretary of State offers congratulations to the new Prime Minister Lord Fafanoa, discussing bilateral relations. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Bopoa Aho. As police Ungawhiwhita operation concluded earlier this week, police report a total of 203 people were charged during this Christmas and New Year's holiday period from December 19th, 2025 to January 5th, 2026.
The 203 offenders have been charged with multiple crimes such as driving under the influence. The Deputy Police Commissioner David Tavailea said that those charged include both men and women, but they are working on confirming the male-to-female ratio. Tonga police have noted an increase in domestic violence linked to influence of drugs and alcohol during the holiday period. The Nuku'alofa district recorded the highest number of people with 130, 20 from the Hahake district, 18 from Hihifo, 4 in Hapai, 15 in Wava'u, and 16 in Eua. Despite this, Vailea said that the number of crimes has declined compared to the same period last year. A total of 406 police officers were involved with the Ungawhiwhita operation. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
A 20-year-old man, Christopher Opeti Tupe, has been sentenced to serve 1 year and 4 months in prison for assault with a sharp weapon, which Tupe had pled guilty to in court.
This sentence was handed down by the Supreme Court Judge, Justice Paul Kali KC, who ordered Tupe to serve 3 years and 4 months in prison with 2 years suspended on conditions. This means that Tupe will serve only 1 year and 4 months in the Huatolitoli prison. The incident arose from a misunderstanding in September last year involving heavy alcohol consumption by both the accused and the victim. It was reported that the accused left in the victim's vehicle, which led to the victim to search for him later that evening, eventually locating him at a nightclub. According to information released by the court this week, the victim was already upset upon arriving at the nightclub, which resulted in a physical altercation, and despite the fight at the nightclub, the victim later took Tupe back to their home on that night. However, Tupe later returned from their home to the victim's residence and attacked him with a sharp object. The court also heard that the victim sustained serious injuries, particularly to his arm, suffering 2 deep wounds measuring 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Tupe then pleaded guilty to the judge, where the Supreme Court noted that the usual sentence for this type of offense is 5 years imprisonment, but because Tupe entered an early guilty plea and had no prior criminal record, his sentence was reduced to 3 years and 4 months. The remaining 2 years of the sentence were fully suspended under conditions, meaning that Tupe will serve only 1 year and 4 months in prison. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Vaifunuatu Paula.
While Tonga remains one of the 19 countries whose nationals the US has partially suspended visa issuance to, The U.S. Deputy Secretary of State Christopher Landau has offered his congratulations to the new Prime Minister, Latu Whanua.
According to information shared by the U.S. Embassy in Tonga, the Deputy Secretary of State, Christopher Landau's discussion with Lord Whanua reaffirmed America's commitment to strengthening bilateral relations between the two governments, particularly through economic development initiatives with a special focus on the private sector. Landau said that illegal fishing and migration issues are among the matters of concerns to the United States, and these topics were discussed with the Prime Minister. Meanwhile, since January the 1st, the United States has temporarily suspended the issuance of tourist and student visas to holders of Tongan passports who are wishing to travel to the United States. This suspension does not apply to those who already hold visas, nor to travelers on diplomatic passports. The suspension is based on reports by the United States that there are a high number of Tongan nationals overstaying in the country. Although Tonga is the current only Pacific Island nation included in this temporary suspension, the United States has also announced that from the 21st of this month, there are other Pacific Islands such as Fiji, Vanuatu and Papua New Guinea are also expected to be added to a list of visa applicants that will be required to pay a security bond to the United States before being allowed to travel. The security bond ranges from $5,000 to $15,000 US, which converted to Fijian currency, this amounts to approximately 12,000 to 24,000 Fijian dollars. This measure is part of the United States' broader efforts to strengthen border security and prevent people from around the world from entering and overstaying illegally in the country. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Paula.
And the Tonga Geological Services have revealed that a total of 85 earthquakes occurred in Tonga during the month of December 2025. Of the 85 earthquakes, only one felt event was reported in Tongan regions, with the highest recorded being 6.5 magnitude and 4.1 magnitude being the lowest recorded. Fortunately, none of these seismic activity caused any damage or were cause for concern. That was the latest from the local scene. Now taking a look at the latest from the sports scene. Up next, we'll join Mark Ake.
Welcome to this hour's sports package of Radio Tonga 1 and 2. To boxing, the president of the Tonga Boxing Association and development officer of the Tonga Hockey Association, Hiko Fungawaka, has passed away. This was confirmed on social media by the Tonga National Olympic Committee this morning. The vice president of the Tonga Boxing Association, Elone Tamilau, said that Fungawaka dedicated a large portion of his life to sports, particularly boxing and hockey. Tamilau added that Fungawaka's latest achievement was getting Tonga to host a Oceania Boxing Confederation tournament this year. Tamilau also conveyed the association's condolences to Fungawaka's family, as they have lost a valuable member. Fungawaka also served as a member of the Tassanok board from 2021 to 2025.
That was sports news with Mark Ake. Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Fort Motor Weather Forecasting Centre with Inoke Lelenga.
Good evening once again. Welcome to evening forecast from Tonga Net. Here is our main highlight for tonight. Hot and humid air still expected for all of Tonga. Partly cloudy with showers of rain for the next 24 hours. From the satellite imagery, mainly fine for all of Tonga, as we can see less cloud are being observed all along these islands, which indicate mainly fine weather, except some places experience showers of rain, but mainly fine. Meanwhile, an active trough lies over Tonga and Tokelau, bringing occasional rain, possibly heavy falls, and also thunderstorms. But for the next 5 days, here is the active trough currently lies over Tonga and Tokelau. We will be moving toward Tongatapu and Eua for tomorrow, bringing occasional rain before moving northward to Vava'o and Ha'apai, and also the Niuas toward the end of this week. Note that the wind will turn southeasterly, so we're expecting cool southeasterly winds for the end of this week. But our forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning, cloudy at times for Va'o, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Eua. with possible showers of rain are expected for these island division. Mainly fine for the news, with our winds still from the north and northeast, 10 knots for all of Tonga, and our minimum overnight temperature for tonight will be around 25 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu in Ewa, 26 for Wa'au, and 27 for Hapai, and also the newest. Forecast for tomorrow will be quite similar, cloudy at times over Wa'au, Hapai, Tongatapu and Ewa, with showers of rain over these islands. Mainly fine for Niua, Tongatapu, and also Niua for all. Our maximum temperature for tomorrow will be in our low 30s. 31 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, also Hapai, but 32 degrees Celsius for Wa'au, and also the newest. Tide prediction for tonight, high tide will be at 20 minutes to 12 p.m. tonight, and low tide will be at 5 minutes to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sun and moon sunrise will be at 7 minutes past 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonrise will be at 3 minutes past 11 p.m. tonight. Wrapping up with the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa Saturday, we're expecting showers of rain with possible thunderstorms, and we're seeing improvement by Sunday and also Monday this week, before expecting some showers of rain for Tuesday and also Wednesday next week. Maximum temperature for the next 5 days will be around 29 to 31 degrees Celsius, and that will be all for tonight. Good evening.
Thank you to Inoki and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest update, wrapping up this hour's news package with radio and television Tonga News. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Police report 203 people in total charged during Unga Whiwhita operation. A 20-year-old man has been sentenced to 1 year, 4 months in prison for assault with a sharp weapon, and the US Deputy Secretary of State offers congratulations to the new Prime Minister, Lord for Whanua, discussing bilateral relations. That was the latest news with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.